हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तूफ़ान का जब ट्रेलर मैंने देखा था तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये स्टोरी मैं प्रिडिक्ट कर सकता हूँ। तो जैसे ही मैंने ट्रेलर देखना ख़त्म किया तो मैं स्टोरी प्रिडिक्ट करने लगा। तो मैंने एक दिन पूरा लिया स्टोरी को प्रिडिक्ट करने में, और मैंने नोट्स भी बनाए हैं और मैं उसका रेफ़र करूँगा, क्योंकि मैं ऐसे ही नहीं बोल सकता।
मैं अभी देश का प्रधानमंत्री नहीं हूँ।
हर एक मूवी का एक अपना स्ट्रक्चर होता है, जैसे कि हीरोज जर्नी, डैन हार्मन स्टोरी सर्कल, 5 एक्ट स्ट्रक्चर, 3 एक्ट स्ट्रक्चर। इनके बेसिस पे ही राइटर अपनी स्टोरी बनाता है। तो तूफान मूवी में हीरोज जर्नी का यूज़ हुआ है। हीरोज जर्नी के 12 पॉइंट्स ऐसे हैं जिस बेसिस पे स्टोरी सर्कल कंप्लीट होती है। तो तूफान की अगर बात करें तो वो प्रेजेंट टाइम और पास्ट टाइम दोनों में चल रही है। And also through goldish lighting for the movie, I have predicted that narration of this movie would be non-linear narrative structure. So starting with Ordinary World. So before I tell you the story prediction of Tufan movie, I have divided this story in present time and past time. So starting off with Ordinary World. In Ordinary World, the protagonist is in daily routine of his life. In present time, he stays with his wife under one roof. He has a monotonous life. And in past time, he is an orphan goon, works under Vijay Raj. Next, we have Call to Adventure. In this segment, protagonist stories takes a turn. In present time, his ban gets lifted after 5 years so that he can start boxing. And in present time, he falls in love with a doctor and starts learning boxing to impress her. Next, we have Refusal of the Call. Under this section, protagonist refuses to go on the adventure. And in present time, Farhan Akhtar refuses to box, but Mrunal Thakur convinces him. And in past time, Farhan is not accepted by the coach. Next, we have Meeting the Mentor. In present time, Farhan Akhtar starts preparing himself for boxing. And in past time, Paresh Rawal starts teaching him, looking at the passion he has developed for boxing. Next, we have Crossing the Threshold. This is the point where protagonist leaves the ordinary world to enter into the special world. In present times, maybe Farhan Akhtar comes out from monotonous life and focuses on training. And in past time, Farhan realizes that boxing is different from street fighting. Next, we have Test, Allies, and Enemies. In present time, Farhan Akhtar may find it difficult to get into the flow. His mindset may be the obstacle to achieve the goal. In past time, Farhan Akhtar adapts new skills to perform boxing. And Vijay Raj wants Farhan Akhtar to work under him and not do boxing. Vijay Raj may be the antagonist of the story. Next, we have Approach. In present time, Farhan Akhtar finds it way to get comfortable in boxing. In past time, Farhan Akhtar's life gets smooth. He shows his soft side to Mrunal Thakur, that he is orphan and he lives with orphan children. His coach gives him space for boxing and for living. Next, we have Ordeal, Death and Rebirth. At this particular point of time, half of the story is finished. We get to see the change in the life of the protagonist. This is where the midpoint will come and will change the direction of the story. At the present time, boxing opposition comes out as a strong competitor, as Farhan Akhtar didn't expect him to be. And in past time, Vijay Raj manages to destroy his boxing career. Next, we have Reward. At this point, protagonist achieves something. In present time, Farhan Akhtar is all set to fight in the competition. In past time, he married to Mrunal Thakur. Next, we have The Road Back. At this point, the protagonist leaves the special world and enters back into the ordinary world. In present time, he comes out from the guilt of 5 years ban, a 5-year ban from boxing. Now, Farhan is back on the street. He has a choice either to work for Vijay or do something else. Next, we have resurrection. Resurrection means coming back to life from death. It can be used metaphorically in the story. In present time, Farhan Akhtar may faces his biggest fear related to boxing, and in past time he decides to leave street boxing and get a new life with Mrunal Thakur. Next and last, we have Return with Elixir. In present time, he wins the tournament and gets respect, and in past time, he enters into a monotonous life. So this is the story I predicted on the basis of the Hero's Journey tool. So this is the story I predicted for Tufan based on Hero's Journey. I predicted 90% of the story, and I am not predicting the subplot of Farhan Akhtar and Mrunal Thakur.
अगर मान लीजिए हम मैथमेटिक में a प्लस बी इंटू स्क्वायर इंटू ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर करें तो a प्लस बी इंटू ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर करें तो रिजल्ट आता है a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर. ये एक्स्ट्रा 2ab मिलता है कि नहीं मिलता है? ये एक्स्ट्रा 2ab कहां से आया? तो भारत और कनाडा जब मिलता है तो एक्स्ट्रा 2ab निकलता है.